I bought it like that.
Hi guys. Welcome back to another video.
Hello, you guys.
Hello, guys.
The camera quality looks good.
Back. Her niece is back.
Oh, they're taking over the camera.
Okay, I'll grab it. Okay, thank you. Hello, you guys.
Hi guys.
Lighting has to be on point.
Excuse me.
Here's Grandma.
Hi.
So, what were you saying?
So this is her niece, and right now we're going
And you have horrible lighting
to
right now.
a hotel.
So what's up people, what's up, welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. This your boy Travis, you done know. Yeah, we in Orlando with the family. It's Easter weekend, but there's also Taylor's spring break. We linked up, we got Amara up here from New York, you know what I mean? And it's like a little family reunion, because you know we always used to roll out together for spring breaks and stuff like that when we all live in New Jersey.
Yeah.
So now we only 5 hours away, so we're here for the big link up in Orlando. So come on, let's go for this evening drive out. Might got a little something in the back for the kids, you know? Let's go.
Meet me at the hotel room. 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 Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. We at the hotel.
We got a sweet.
Oh my gosh, I got top bunk.
Let's see this bunk bed thing go.
Yes! No, wait, technically you get the bigger bed. That's not fair.
We have a 2-bedroom suite.
I come out of bed. No,
You already called top bunk, Taylor. You already called top bunk.
no, that's not fair. How's the
You
bottom?
called top bunk.
But how's the
All
bottom?
right, don't put anything down yet. We gotta do a video.
Mommy, how's the bottom bunk bigger?
Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. We at the hotel, hotel. I know that yeah. We at the hotel.
Hi guys. So we are currently at the Holiday Inn Resorts Waterpark in Orlando. Hi turtle. Yeah, there's a turtle. Hi little turtle.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh wow, it's going so slow.
So now I hear kids.
Look at more fish over there.
I've never seen like such big
I hear
fish.
people shouting.
Oh, that's pretty. Sounds like a
Heading to the water park.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go on water slide.
Catch a banana tree.
Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Get up, got your boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring your girlfriends and meet me at the hotel room. Get up, got your boyfriend and
This is a nice view. Oh yeah, Taylor, take a picture here. You gotta take the shorts off because it match your hair. Take the shorts off. Photo shoot. Pose. Pose.
Alright guys, what's up man? Welcome back. So yeah, we finally made it to the hotel after a little mishap. We went to the wrong hotel first. I mean, honestly, for what we came here for the reason why we came, family get to stay together, the kids on spring break. So far it seems so good. This is our second time staying at a hotel with a water park. Definitely not no Kalahari, but I think it works, you know? It's outdoors, which I kind of like a lot. Usually we're stuck inside, it's misty, smell like chlorine. This you could be outdoors. If I run up to the room, leave the kids down here. I like it. So come on, let's keep exploring and see what they got to offer.
Wow, they could go over there too.
That's for the smaller kids. things never got enough liquor in it.
This is where she said I should try. So Joanna, the girl at the front desk who checked us in, she was super nice. She said that we should try the Patron Margarita. So that's what we're gonna go see if it's actually really good. So I'm getting the mango sunrise instead. Oh, she did her pina colada. Can you do virgin pina coladas?
I can.
Thank you. Babe, this tastes like a tropical rum punch. Taste it. So good.
You was me without you, baby go outside without you. It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. You was me without you, baby go outside without you. It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you? Without you. What's me without you? Without you. What's me without you? You what's me without you? Baby go outside without you. It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. You what's me without you? Baby go outside without you. It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you?
Hi guys, so we're about to go have some dinner. We're going to, what do you call it, mommy? Ichiban. It's an all-you-can-eat Asian flair restaurant. So we're hungry. We're gonna head out and go do that. The girls had a good time at the water park. We shared a few clips of that, and now we're gonna go enjoy some afternoon fun. So let's do it. Ready, babe? Outfit of the day.
I can't see. I don't know.
I'm rocking the jean shorts with a fabletics. What do you call it? Hi, Taylor. Hola. Taylor's outfit of the day. She's rocking the skirt with the t-shirt. Travis is rocking a monochrome look, and Amara is rocking a monochrome look.
And Amara's
Fun shirt and shoes. Amara
Cover your belly.
got a headband and a 2 pair of socks.
A headband and 2 pair of socks.
You what's me without you? Baby go
And
outside.
you got a jacket?
It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. You what's me without you? Baby go outside without you. It's like no blood in my system, no heartbeat without you. Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you? Without you, what's me without you?
Oh, I put some sushi on your plate.
Oh, thank you.
So I was getting sick.
They have a crab boil in the back. Yeah, crab boil rice.
Is that your appetizer? The sushi? I got sushi as an appetizer too. They don't have any California rolls.
They got more California rolls.
They got more just now?
What happened?
Amara, they got California rolls.
I guess they bring it when you order your drink. That's your drink? When you order a drink.
What's me without you?
No, I think I stole your straw.
What?
They didn't give us straws.
Ew, you're stepping on dirty tissue.
It's not, feel it. It's warm. Mommy, feel the water. It's warm.
It's probably because of the sand. Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, that's awesome.
No, that's
Hey, take a picture, guys.
Ready to jump in, Mark? Wait, Mommy, Ketchup's jumping out of you.
Take a picture first.
Mommy, we're going to the 4 feet over here.
Okay. I'm gonna do a video of you guys jumping. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Laura, what was that? You literally stepped in. It's warm.
This is cool. Jumping. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's day 2 of us hanging in Florida at the Holiday Inn Resort Waterpark. The weather is not the greatest. As you can see, the sun isn't shining. It shines on and off. And so, honestly, we're making the most of it. So we're gonna enjoy some fun by the pool. Then we're gonna head over to the water park with the slides. And this mama is going to be getting in those damn water slides today. This is a cheater right here. We having a swimming contest, and this man start walk and run.
What are you doing? And you like, I started swimming first. I was doing this. I looked over and see mommy like, and you like this.
But you said any kind of swimming. You started running. What kind of swimming is that? All right, so I'm going to get some more towels because we came out super early to put our towels out. And we put them next to the kiddie play area, and they are completely soaked. So I'm gonna go get some more towels while Travis and Taylor plays basketball. And then I'm gonna re-up on my sunscreen because that's super important. We have our towels. Let's go. Time to eat some food. So we're sitting in this cabana so we can eat. We were over here before. Taylor and Amara is there. Alright, which one next? Let me put this blue one. Okay. Here, guys. Tammy B. Where you said Tammy B 871? Waited for the last time. 305. My little cousin is going to buy me a drink, y'all. Wait, Arlen. The mango sunrise, but we forgot to tell her to give it extra rum. It tastes good. It is okay. I'm gonna have that. But is it better frozen or no? I'll have on the rock. Yeah, I get that. Smart lady. What do you want? I'm getting a rum runner.
So 2 rum runners or what?
One each. What do you want frozen? You want a frozen? What's your best frozen drink?
Best frozen drink? Well, the most popular is the pina colada. We could do pina colada and strawberry daiquiris called Miami Vice, and that's what sells really well. The strawberry daiquiri we have mango. I could do a mango sunrise if you like frozen.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Jersey.
Okay.
Florida.
Ah, nice. Yeah, I hear the accent. I'm like,
It's where they live, you know what I mean? But they from Jamaica, you know what I mean?
that's awesome.
They just live somewhere else.
Pay for the drink.
Yes, come on, I'm not done yet. Hold on. This is the party right here.
Yes.
Look at that. What? That's a rum float.
So pretty.
Yes, enjoy.
I cannot wait to try
I
that.
made it with love. There you go, beautiful.
All right, it's time to try.
Anything else, guys? Is this together?
So good. Yes, please. We just finished at the pool. Well, the pool gets shut down.
Show them say somebody pooped in the pool. Show them the man.
Someone pooped in the pool and the guy's over here cleaning it. But he's been cleaning it for a while. We're calling him chasing brown stuff because he's not doing nothing. And that's Sweetie. That's Sweetie. Yeah, they're here, guys. Grandma's here. My mom just brought food, so we're gonna go eat. She cooked us some corned beef and rice and some tuna and different things. We were gonna go out to eat, but she cooked, so we're gonna go enjoy some nice little food, and then we're gonna go to Disney Springs later tonight to get some ice cream. Yes?
Then do
We're gonna
it.
get some ice cream
Then
later.
do it. Then do it. Do it. Then do it.
911.
911.
Little girl, what's up my pants? I'm calling the police for her.
Let guys.
Let go, let go.
They're not gonna come.
She's oh mama, that's so cute. Oh cute so. Oh cute so. Eh? Mama see your outfit?
Anybody who want mango for pay feet to go.
My mother bring mango, she bring food. You see how mothers are?
Huh?
By the way, two of those
you got
mangoes.
what?
Hey, whoa. 2 of those mangoes are mine.
No, they're not. I call all of them.
I will buy them.
I call all of them.
Hold on there. I will buy them.
How many mangoes are there?
Well, Amara is a good answer. She said me and Auntie call too. Yes to the mango. This is what Mommy brought.
Oh, in the room. Oh, okay.
Come look at your food, baby. Grandma brought cabbage and cabbage and tuna, babe.
Ooh.
And corn.
Look at my hair, mommy.
Nice. I like it with the two things in the top.
Excuse me.
Some corned beef.
We're still going out. Yeah. Disney free.
And rice. You wanna say?
Where is it?
Food tastes good, Amar?
I'm gonna make some best of sauce.
That's true. Avery, you like the food? There's fork here for you, baby.
Grandma's food always tastes good.
That's right. Grandma food tastes good. Corned beef, rice, cabbage.
What I'm wearing tomorrow.
Smells so good.
I got in my water bowl, 2 pieces of sweetie.